Alright, good evening everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you again. Good evening, I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you again in the Breaking Weather Center. We just have another tornado warning has been issued for parts of Alabama again. This is tornado will include parts of Ostrich County, Alabama, eastern Emory County, Alabama, and North Tilden County, central Alabama, until 9:15. At 8:32, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ben Justice, or 15 miles northwest of Carterfield, moving northeast around 30 miles an hour. So tornado and half dollar size hail. So get centered and get covered. If you're in the path of this tornado warning, this runs in effect through 9:15. So far, there's no tornado on, but there is some decent shear here. So we could be getting another tornado to spin up along this area. So if you're in the warning, this is the time to act quickly. Move to your safe spot. Make sure you have many walls between you as possible. And there's that shear there. So tornado warning continues about 9 p.m. And so it needs to be kind of watched too. Alright, so we some hail with the storm also. It needs to be taking a look. Looking at different things. Very large hail, that storm. So tornado wind continues about 9:15. We'll check the pool. But there is a little bit of blue, but not enough. I don't think to cause any potentially of us cause any debris. But it's kind of hard at night to see what we do in here. So this is a tornado warning, and you can see this storm's going to continue. So tornado warning into 9:15. It's a radar indicated tornado, by the way, so we have to watch these storms also. So this tornado warning. So we're going to continue to watch this sail. It'll be out of the area pretty soon. So capable of producing some very large hail of that. And also we get another one of these little Boeing instruments, and this could cause a weak tornado warning to be issued too. And that runs through 9:15 for Washington County, Alabama, North Central Moore County, and South Central Alabama, Clark County, Central Alabama, and Wilcox County. You know, at 8:31, a severe thunderstorm is located along the standing line from Thompsonville to Luray to 6 miles southeast of North Central, 60 miles an hour, so 60 miles of wind, got some quarter-size hail. So we could see some winds gusting up to 60, and you do have to watch out for the possibility of some very large hail, especially like this is almost quarter size. That's going to cause some problems. So right now, we got some reports of a few more trees are down more trees are down. Getting more reports of trees down on Richardson. More trees down, a few more trees down in Floating area. So, folks, this is going to be more of the rain ain't helping nothing. It's just on top of more trees down. So, please, you in the dark, because we have several people out of power. But these Boeing instruments could cause a weak tornado warning, and this is why we tell you to have that weather radio plugged in, just in case you would lose power tonight. So, right now, I only have one tornado warning, and there's possibility of some damage to Gold Ridge north of Simpson. So we're getting some more damage coming in, and just that thing run through here real quick. So we get a tornado warning that runs through about 9:15. If you're in the Bourbon area, that is a very tight cup right there. Very tight. We could be getting a possible tornado in the Cooper area. If you're in Cooper, seek shelter. Be in Creek. Take under a tornado warning into about 9:15. So it's getting dark. You're not going to see the tornado warning. This is time to go to that basement on the lowest floor of the building. Put a bike helmet. Make sure you have an air horn and all that to protect yourself from flying debris. So, I mean, we're continuing to track these storms this evening for you. More report of flooding with this situation. Water's covering the parts of the ground. So, flash flood warning for parts of Duncan County to 10:45. So, let's look at radar from home. Just a few showers. Maybe even a couple showers. Some thunderstorms are continuing. But these don't have a potential of any large hail with them. They're just going to be heavy rain, maybe some thunder and lightning, maybe. But there's still plenty of sheared certain spots to get stuff. The winds are turning. That's the problem. That's the problem. So you just joined. This is almost 9 o'clock. We have a tornado warning in place. So we're going to continue with this. Looking through here, the circulation continues. Starting to get so far this is just for hail and high winds, but down here in Louisiana, I think we got a new storm that's trying to get its act together, and this could just produce some hail and high winds. This runs in effect from Mobile, Stone County, and this storm is capable of producing up to 70 miles per gust. So this crowd the ground lightning and chance of rainfall, but still, this is the dangerous storm. Still capable of producing some wind damage, and that could lead to some power lines down, and that'll just take the same spot where that tornado warning hit at. So we could be getting some more, few more trees down because the winds are very strong tonight. So you got to really take these storms really seriously. The city of Alexander, they're not under the warning yet, but it's heading towards Alexander City. So Alexander City, be ready. Just in case this tornado warning would get injured for you, and because heading towards you, just figure out where you want to go at, in case you go under tornado warning. And the rainfall is going to be very heavy. Look at this. Gosh, are you kidding me? Maybe up to 2 inches. 2 inches of rainfall. And the pinks are getting up to almost 2.5 inches. So this is what we have to watch for very heavy rainfall. Tornado watch in effect about 3 a.m. So, still watching. We'll analyze the. Alright, the tornado warning just has got dropped right now. We stay on the air, but we can see some very heavy rainfall. And like I said, some more wind damage is likely. And back at closely look here. If we do see another tornado warning, but we'll get in process and want to spin up on us again, we'll be breaking right back in to let you know. For right now, we'll sign off.